Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix iPhone Reboot Loop with Apple logo. If your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and keeps rebooting, don't panic. This issue can often be fixed at home. If a forced restart didn't help, try connect your iPhone to a computer. Use an USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Now, on Windows or macOS, open iTunes. Your iPhone should appear in the sidebar once detected. Now you need to enter recovery mode. Process depends on your iPhone model. Quickly press and release the volume app, then the volume down and press and hold the side button until you see the recovery screen. Keep holding the buttons even after you see the Apple logo and release it only when you see the recovery mode screen. Now, once in recovery mode, your computer will display a pop-up with two options, update or reinstall. Just start with update first to preserve your files, and if that fails, use restore. iTunes or Finder will now download the latest version of iOS and install it on your phone. This process takes 15 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed and device model. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.